Guys, here is Shiv and more LeetCode cam video I think came on the channel, and in today's video we are solving a 459 question by the name of repeated substring pattern, and this is an easy one question which we are solving in today's video. Okay, 459 question by the name of repeated substring pattern. Okay, so please like this video, share friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also so you never miss these type of videos on the channel. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, here you see it. One more video I think came on the LeetCode cam, and there's a 459 question by the name of a repeated substring pattern. And I have already told you that into my big screen. Okay, so let's start to solve this question. So first of all, we read the question carefully. It is saying me you are given a string by the name of s in which you check if it can be constructed by taking a substring. So let's first of all let's drag and drop this question into a word file. Okay, and this is an easy one question. So let's see, the question is on about string and string matching. Okay, that question is on about string. Okay, so let's do this. Now it is saying me you are given a one string by the name of s. Okay, check, we want to check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it and appending multiple copies of the substring together. Okay, this our task in today's video. We want to check if a string s, check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it can be appending multiple copies of the substring together. So this is one example one in which he write here create a one string by the name of s in which he write a b, and the output will be coming true. Why? Because if it is substring ab twice. Okay, so first of all let me run it. So that's why the output will be coming true. So in our case when our output will be coming true, so let's see our case 2 in which he write as aba in the string s, the output will be coming false. So in our case 1 our output will be coming true, and in our case 2 our output will become false. So there are three cases. So let's read our case 3 in which he write in the s string abc 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 abc. Now the output will be coming true because if the substring abc 4 times or the substring abc twice, so the output will become false. But here we only write abc, so that's why the output will 4 times or the substring abc twice, so that's why output will be coming true. So in our case 1 our output will become true, in our case 2 our output will become false, in our case 3 our output will become true. Okay, and these are the constraints which we have used to solve this question. Okay, like 1 less than equal to s dot length less than equal to 10 square 4, then s consists of lower English letters, and this is the question which we have solved. So now let's see, there are 1.1 million people have submitted this and only 5 lakh people accepted. 46.6% ratio is that. Okay, and but let me told you that thing, read this question one more time. So given a string s, here it given a string me, here it given me the string by the name of s, we want to check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it appending multiple copies of the substring together. Appending means, okay, joining the two things together. Okay, appending means that multiple copies of the substring together. Okay, s, please highlighted the s because this is the main thing. So let's start to write the code first of all. So now first of all what we can do now, first of all enter. Now first of all we define a class by the name of solution, because in any question if you see we define a class of a solution because this is very compulsory. Then def keyword repeated substring pattern, then self comma s square bracket str means string, then minus greater than bool. Now when we define here, now you are thinking why define here s, because here it written down it given a one string by the name of s, so here I define s, and you are thinking why I define here str means string. Okay, because s string, because this question is on about string. Okay, str. If you see the short form of a string, what is short form of string in Python? So here you can show me str, you can see it. Now let's back it. So now when we define here starting code like class solution and these type of code, so you press enter here. So you do not start to write a code from here. Okay, start to writing the code from repeated. Okay, now when you do this, so first of all we want to return. Now we return multiply. Sorry, we want to return s. Now when we return s, then we define in keyword. So the in is a one keyword. If we go here, what is in keyword in Python? So you can say the operator, this operator, the in operator in Python check if you specify value is exact with a sequence. Okay, you can say this one operator. Okay, in keyword is a one operator. Now we define here rounded brackets. Okay, then s plus s. Now here I am appending two things together, like if here it told you appending multiple copies of the substring together, which we are doing in this line. Here we are plus means appending two things together. Okay, now we define here square bracket. What we define here, we define a square bracket in which we define one ratio. Okay, ratio, or you can say semicolon. Now minus 1. Okay, 1 ratio minus 1. And I have told this thing in 2 hour, I think so. I told you this thing in our list tutorial. In list, tuple, dictionaries, I have told you these. How to assigning a multiple values. In a, I have already made this video. If I show you, come to my channel. Assign a multiple values. I have told you that, I think so. Assign multiple values. This video, a variable assign a multiple values. I have told you that in these type of videos. Okay, so you want to see my full tutorial over Python, so you can go on to my this place, and then you will be learn all things about the Python. Then you will become to on these type of videos. Okay, because I told you completely full course on the Python, and there are 200 videos in this. Okay, so you can go if you want to learn, so go and learn it. Okay, because I told you all the things. But let's move to another topic. But I'm seeing one thing which I want to told you. Where it is. Okay, it is not finding me. Okay, it is not here. But I have told you that if you want, I will be pin it into my comment section. Okay, so go and see this. Okay, so now here I have appending the multiple copies of a substring together. So here we write our all the code. So when I wrote it, so let's understand the question one more time. Given a string s, okay, here you could here it has been given the string s, in which it check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it and appending. In this line here I am appending a multiple copies of the substring together. Here you can see in this third line, and in here I have been highlighted. Okay, so here, so in our case 1 our output will become 2, in our case 2 our output will become false, and in our case 3 our output will become true. Okay, and the topic is on about substring and string matching. Okay, now let's run this question. So when I run it this question, so I hope it has been accepted. Our case 1 is also be accepted, our case 2 is also be accepted, our case 3 is also be accepted. In our case 1 the expected output has been true and my also output has been coming true. In case 2 the expected output has been coming false and my also output has been coming false. In case 3 the expected output has been coming true and my also output has been coming true. Very easily. So let's see the summation of this code. So when I submit this code, and let's see the summation of this code. So when I submit this code and the summation of this code is also be correct. Here you can see it. Very easily, yes, we beat 100% people with a 0 milliseconds. Okay, and we solve our 459 question by the name of repeated substring pattern. and this is an easy one question which we are solving in today's video. So please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you don't miss over these type of videos on the channel on the LeetCode camp. So but now, so sorry. Anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos on the LeetCode camp channel. But for today, good bye.